Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the Cuisinart Burr, Grind, and Brew 12-cup coffee maker. This machine is unique because you can use whole beans and grind them straight into the filter. First, you need whole bean coffee. So when you buy your coffee at the store or your local coffee shop, make sure it is whole bean form and not pre-ground. You can use filtered water, or you can buy these filters online. You can check the link below. And this goes into this filter container that lives back by the water reservoir in the back of the machine. And all you do is clip it in, and then the water will filter through this, so you have the freshest water possible. Now I'm going to add beans to my machine and then water. Now, in order to add beans to the grinder, you have to take off your clear lid. You can see I have some beans in there already, but my suggestion is to keep this as full as possible. And that is because the weight of the beans on the grinder is going to change the grind. So the more pressure there is on the grinder, it's going to change the grind. So I always like to keep as many beans in there as possible. You can put the lid back on. And next I'm going to fill the back reservoir with water. You can either fill it with 4 cups of water all the way to 12 cups. My suggestion is that if you want less than 4 cups of coffee, you would have to use pre-ground coffee beans. If you use pre-ground coffee beans, you're gonna just press this button on the side of your machine to pop this open, and this is where your coffee filter lives. You can put the pre-ground coffee into this filter and skip the grind process if you want less than 4 cups of coffee. So this just sits right on these little groove nub things, and then you can click it in place. And once you know that that is ready, you may put your water in. Now I have pre-measured 4 cups of water. I'm going to open up this back lid. It just has a little swing option, and I measured 4 cups of coffee or water, excuse me. I measured 4 cups of water in the back for the back reservoir. I'm going to pour that back there. You can see on the side of the coffee maker that I have just a little over 4, which is fine. It doesn't have to be exact. So now I'm going to close my water and show you how to program this. All right, when you're programming how much coffee you want to grind and brew, you first need to turn on your machine. When the light is on, you'll know that it is ready. The time really only matters if you're going to pre-program it. One great feature about this coffee maker is that if you have to unplug your coffee maker to move it quickly, the time will not reset. In order to brew, you are going to turn this knob for the grind control. You can see the numbers are going to go up or down if I spin the dial based on how many cups of coffee I would like to brew. Since I have a little over 4 cups of water, I'm just going to keep it at 4 because I don't want my coffee to be too strong. But there's also a strength meter on this machine. Right now I have it at 2/3 strength. I can press this, make it full strength, or you can go down to 1/3 strength. So there's 3 settings on strength. I have brewed full strength and medium or 2/3 strength, and I personally like the 2/3 strength the best. I think that it grinds less coffee but still tastes very full-bodied. I wouldn't say it's a dark roast, it is just a dark brew because it is. Now that I have my strength set on 2/3, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so y'all can see that. That's better. So you can see that I have my cup set on 4. It will go all the way up to 12. And then my strength is 2 out of 3. So there's 3, 1, 2. Now, when I am ready to brew, all I'm going to do is press this circular button that says brew. You'll hear it start, and then the coffee will begin. It takes just a couple seconds to start hearing that water run through the filter. And when this coffee is finished, it will beep 3 times. I have found that this model has a very quiet beep. I've had many Cuisinart products, and the old coffee makers used to have a loud beep. So just pay attention to that. You will know that your coffee is ready when the brew button is no longer lit right here in the center. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and make sure you give us a thumbs up.